Hi, I'm Chikezie. I'm a UX lead for AR experiences at Google. We design AR experiences for Google Search, for shopping, and other third-party brands. If you're getting into a design tool for the first time, like Figma or Sketch or Adobe XD, you might be wondering, how do I use this tool? How do I create this flow? Like, what does the UI need to look like? Is this even an appealing design? So my recommendation when you are getting ready to design something is to start with sketches. And now that you have your sketches, it's good to bring those sketches into your design tool. Now you're ready to go into high fidelity mockups. When you were sketching with pen and paper, that was low fidelity. Now that you're going into high fidelity, this is where you get to bring those sketches to life. When you're designing something, you want to think about the journey. What are the major moments in the journey that will help a person get from A to B? When you're designing in a tool like Figma or Sketch, you're going to have a lot of things available to you that didn't exist with pen and paper. You're going to have text colors, you're going to have a big color palette, you're going to have text size, you're going to have images, a whole different suite of things available to you to work with. And when you're thinking about bringing something to those tools, you're now entering a phase called high fidelity. And when you're making these, this is not only the design that the engineering team is going to look at and say, oh, this is what I'm being asked to build. The product team is also looking at this and thinking, oh, this is the thing that's going to be what the app looks like. This is going to be what the experience looks like. And I'm going to now assess this as, is this the thing that I'm looking for? Is this the solution to the problem that we're going after? So the high fidelity design is not only a very kind of like beautiful and like visual design for the solution, but it's also a communication to the rest of the team, what they are going to build and how they drive that thing forward.